Hello, I'm Catherine Hartlove, Director of Marketing at Arkon Mounts. Today, I'd like to take you through a few of the frequently asked questions that we've received about our best-selling Pro Stands. The Arkon Pro Stand with weighted base, model HD8RV29. The Arkon Pro Stand with clamp base, model CLAMPRV29. The Remarkable Creators 3-in-1 bundle with weighted base, model RCBTABLED. The Remarkable Creators 3-in-1 bundle with clamp base, model CLAMPRCB. The Cookie Decorator stand for phones and mini projectors, model CDM2XMG5. The clamp base stand for DSLR camera, tablet, or phone, model DSLR TAB MG5. For those of you who already own one of our Pro Stand models, you can switch out your black telescoping pole for one that's pink or teal. To attach the pole to the base, first, you'll need to make sure that the set screw at the base is loosened and the current pole is removed. The pole will arrive in a collapsed position. To prep the pole for inserting it into the base, first, push the top part of the pole, the part that has the metal collar at the top, through the bottom pole. Then, while keeping a grip on the pole, twist the new pole as you're inserting it into the weighted base. The collar has two pieces, a black metal collar and a white plastic collar underneath it. These are both important to include when installing. If you don't include the white plastic collar, your pole won't stay in place. Slide the black metal collar over the white plastic collar, then slide them both over the top pole until you get to where the poles join. Tighten the collar. Finally, tighten the set screw to secure it to the base. You're then ready to install the overhead arm assembly. All of our Pro Stand models include an overhead arm assembly, which controls the positioning of the device holder. To position the overhead arm assembly, loosen the knobs. To set the position, tighten the knobs. If you find the arm is slipping, the knobs just need to be tightened. If you own a Pro Stand with a weighted base, one of the hacks we use here, whenever we're using a large phone or camera, is to position the overhead arm assembly over a corner of the base. This positioning provides some stability and helps to prevent tipping. All Pro Stand models also include an adapter that you can use to hold a camera or mini projector. The adapter has a 1/4" 20 pattern, which is the same pattern used on most cameras and mini projectors. Simply unscrew the knob on the shaft closest to the device holder to loosen it. Then pull the holder off of the shaft. To attach the adapter, snap it onto the shaft and then tighten the knob. I hope this info's been helpful in showing you how to use your Pro Stand most effectively. For more information, visit us at arkon.com. See you next time!